In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a looping animation in Canva. A looping animation is a short motion that starts and ends in the same place, so it can repeat smoothly without any visible jump. It's perfect for subtle movement in banners, intros, and social posts, and you can create it quickly with Canva's built-in tools. I'll walk you through a simple setup that moves an element from point A to point B and back to point A for a clean, continuous loop. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Canva. In the results, click the official Canva link to open the editor. If you already have it bookmarked, you can head there directly. Make sure you're on the legitimate site so everything loads correctly and your projects are accessible. Once you're on the home page, log in using your usual method. If you're new to Canva, you can create a free account first, but most people will already be set. After logging in, open the project you want to animate. This can be any design with at least one page and an element you intend to move, like a logo, icon, or sticker. Along the bottom of the editor, you'll see the page strip, often called the timeline. On your current page thumbnail, click the three dots and choose Duplicate Page. This creates a second page identical to your first, which is essential for building a loop that starts and ends the same way. Switch to the second page and select the element you want to animate. Drag it to a different spot on the canvas. This will be your destination point. Keep the element's size and rotation consistent, so the motion feels polished, and stay within the safe area so nothing gets cropped. Now you'll create the bookend. Duplicate the first page again, and move that duplicate to the very end of the timeline. You should now have 3 pages in order: the original, the moved version, and a copy of the original. This ABA layout is what makes the loop seamless. Between each pair of pages, click the small plus icon and choose Match and Move. Apply it between the first and second pages, and again between the second and third pages. Match and Move tells Canva to track the same element across pages and animate it smoothly from its position on one page to its position on the next. With Match and Move in place, your object travels from A to B and back to A without a hitch. You'll see a smooth, continuous motion that loops naturally, ready for use in your design or sequence. And that's all it takes to create a clean looping animation in Canva.